Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys lava phone setting guys, and today video title is guys how to on find my device. Friends, you want to on your find my device in your lava phone. So how to on find my device in lava phone today friends, I am going to show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting to on your find my device setting. Friends, you want to use your find my device setting, you can on from your phone setting guys. Click on guys your lava phone guys security setting. Friends, after on security setting friends, you can see guys your find my device setting is here. So guys, find my device guys, you want to on, you want to use, so you can on from here. So guys, we will on from here. After on guys, you can see where to use find my device app, find my device app setting. Since you can see find my device notification, find my device helps you locate this device remotely. If you lose the device, it also helps you keep your data safe. So like that guys, you can use your find my device setting. And once you want to track your phone, so while your find my device is on, so once you can track your phone also. So like that guys, we can on guys find my device setting in a lava phone device, and once you want to turn off, so you can off from your phone setting, and guys you can off from guys your security setting. Find my device is on, so why you can off from here. And get one more method guys, direct guys click on your search bar option, and here we will search again find my device setting. Find my device setting is off, so guys on it, and guys find my device setting is on, you want to off, so you can off from here. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to on and off find my device in lava phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Friends, do you have any doubt related to guys your lava phone setting, you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye guys.